Let's see if we can catch a fish in this windstorm. We're gonna be using squid as bait. Two important things for today: Sputnik weight and some magic thread, because it's so dang windy.
There we go, we got the squid hooked up. Let's sling that sucker way out there. Rod's going in the holder, now we just wait.
We're getting a bite. We're getting a bite in the storm. Yes, fish on. Let's go, boys. It's storming out and we got a fish on. I'm the only idiot out here. I don't know what we got yet, but oh yeah, there's some good head shakes. We got a nice redfish, my first ever redfish, guys. Let's go, first ever redfish. He's 27 inches.
Time to let him go. Thank you for watching. Let me know what fish I should catch next.
There he goes.